First of all, I would like to congratulate the dear students for choosing MRC as the new platform for becoming a world-class technocrat. It's an honor to see young bright people filled with enthusiasm to start a new phase of life. In the next few minutes, I shall be briefing you about the various activities being conducted in our college. The student technical community aims to uplift technological standards of the students. The aim is to bring students at par with the latest emerging technology trends by giving them the right space, motivation, and innovation. This not only builds the skilled aptitude, but provides an exhibition to developing industries and gives enormous options for one to nurture their talent as per life. Freedom is necessary, so we have divided the technical community upon various teams upon their interests. These are some of the photographs by how we conduct the events in the college. We follow latest developments, and with the power of networking, we connect the bright minds and form teams specializing in areas of their interest. Some of the teams are robotics, web development, FOSS, mobile application development, ethical hacking, and many more. We identify areas to work as a team, and we conduct hands-on sessions, seminars, and workshops free of cost to all these students during the break time so that they can learn and innovate. We awarded 60 students this year. From February 2009 till now, we have conducted 19 events, and we awarded 60 students who were working under various heads like event management, marketing management, strategy management, team heads, webmasters, and team leads. We are proud to tell you that we have added meaning to their life, and their personality has grown manyfold with their experience. Before joining this community, they were simply learning things by themselves, but being in a community, they had a place where open innovation can take place. I must also thank the college administration for helping us a lot in these activities, and hope in future we will enjoy future support from MRC. Coming to Epiphany, this is the annual inter-college cultural cum technical festival, which is termed as Epiphany. It has expanded since 2007, and in a short span of 3 years, it has become a symbolic event for fine arts, dance, theatre, and music. We are proud that a dance group has performing at national level competitions ranging from western dance to classical competitions. The rock band 4D has performed self-composed songs, and a pool of quality musicians are being brought from this group. Drama group Khalwali had won first prize in regional event Akshay Urja Divas of Delhi and was awarded by Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, Srimati Sheila Dikshit. Our literary group has a variety of contributors in English and Hindi language, and you'll be amazed to know that a first year student of MRCE has started editing a magazine called Efficacy. A fine art group has been in limelight since starting. MRC students have been associated with Prakash Deep NGO, an NGO which is working for underprivileged students. We are proud to have our entrepreneurship cell under the active guidance of Dr. Neelam Saxena. An entrepreneurial mindset is developed, and we encourage students to scan through various business opportunities. We innovate the various business opportunities which lie, and we encourage them to understand the various business models which are being carried out. Because we think that ultimately, for an engineer, the bottom is the cost and the economy. We also invite entrepreneurs from industry to give talks and share their experiences and mentor students. We celebrate Entrepreneurship Week along with NEN and have various activities to bring out the best entrepreneurs like business plan competition, the next CEO, social networking competition, documentary competition, a few of our banner programs which are run every year. A concern for environment is known internationally. 3 students from our college has been appointed as British Council International Climate Champions. MRC students have also been participating in Paper Bag Making Campaign, Green Consumer Day, and Delhi Sustainable Development and International Event in Delhi. Our Renewable Energy Club, sponsored by Renewable Energy Department Haryana, has also performed inter-college competitions. All of which is done up till now, and you have been listening, is just the start. The only thing that will remain constant is the change. And to survive this change, the best way to do is to initiate it.